fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in a video with yet another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only do poly reactions, so yeah. So for today we're going to be reacting to, I don't know how to say it, DXVNDRE, or yeah, just comment down below how we're supposed to say it, or hopefully we'll hear it in the song. And the track is called Lord Forgive Me, so I don't know, I'm pretty keen to check it out. If you're new to my channel, this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you for stopping by, and if you want to consider subscribing, please do it by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos, fam. And yeah, some merch as well. So we have here Ilche. Please go check Ilche out on Facebook and Instagram if you want to get some gear, and they have different colors as well.
PolyMovement fans.
Let's go. Quality.
Rosary.
Lord forgive me. Shit. Oh. Yo, we back, man. Lord forgive me. Say, yeah. Before I pray for the forgiveness, I figured I better send some more sinner with flavor. I guess you could call me a connoisseur. I'm connoisseurs cause this type of shit be A1. Top flight, distribution business to my day.
What did he say?
Connoisseur.
Oh, okay. I don't know why I thought he said counter sewer, like the counter and then the sewer.
Pipes.
Yeah. I was like, what is that? Oh, I've seen the ice cream. I see that on the ice cream, the connoisseur. On the ice cream things. Damn, I'm trying to understand what he's saying.
Just like my lady fulfilling the temptations, standing at the top throwing down powerful statements. This a warning, don't let me slip to imagination, or I'ma turn into the Vegeta when he went ape shit. Super Saiyan's prayers, what I'm saying, emancipating through layers. I was told I couldn't break it. The proclamation being settled, time to build upon it. It's be the legacy recipe, cause I'm eating off it. DXVNDRE, please take some time to chill. These other motherfuckers ain't really seeing what's real. Tell her wake up, smell the fresh essence of society. Where foolishness prevails, progression proceeds quietly. Motherfucker, expect nothing less. I'm just letting off the steam up on my chest. Lord forgive me. Motherfuckers know it's getting risky. Separate the real from Stevie Wonders and get busy. Motherfucker, expect nothing less. I'm just letting off the steam up on my chest. Lord forgive me. To hell with the sucker acting shifty. Some of my samurai and slice it up swiftly. I'm going 5150. Call up the dispatcher. Manifest the sinister symptoms and I'm about to snatch up.
The hell is he saying?
What is it about?
Oh, go back. Guys, I'm gonna go back. I don't know if it's his accent or the way he's... I can't seem to pick anything up.
I can get the vibe he's talking about.
I was thinking he's talking about... Like,
I just don't... In relation to what is your sins, is it? Your past discretions, your...
Yeah. And then I feel like he's talking about...
And then he says, Lord forgive me.
So I'm thinking he's...
Yeah. But I'm thinking, I just got a bit bitten by when he said in the same sentence, Lord, and then he said F word.
Oh,
and
yeah.
And I don't, wow.
I guess that's what the song's about. Like,
yeah, just
damn, wait.
Just go back a bit.
I'm just gonna go back.
Here's what I'm saying, emancipating through layers. I was told I couldn't break it. The proclamation being settled, time to build upon it. It's be the legacy recipe, cause I'm eating off it. DXVNDRE, please take some time to chill. These other motherfuckers ain't really seeing what's real. Tell her wake up, smell the fresh essence of society. Where foolishness prevails, progression proceeds quiet.
Is he talking about like society, like
reality,
expectations or something?
Wake up and...
Yeah, from like what I've been hearing, sounds like it's expectations or something. I don't know.
Motherfucker, expect nothing less. I'm just letting off the steam up on my chest. Lord forgive me. Motherfuckers know it's getting risky. Separate the real from Stevie Wonders and get busy. Motherfucker, expect nothing less. I'm just letting off the steam up on my chest. Lord forgive me. To hell with the sucker acting shifty. Some of my
making me shifty.
Shifty, so he's talking about fake people and...
Fake people or demons?
Demons, probably, yeah.
I'm going 5150, call up the dispatcher, manifesting sinister symptoms, and I'm about to snatch up. I'm sourcing on everything, just like my ketchup, and trying not to get caught up in the dream catcher. A nightmare in the ice cold night air, crispy like the Nike Air Force white pair. Devil on my shoulder, but the light's leading the right way. Lord forgive me, but I'm thinking that I might stay a little longer, cause I'm not done yet. I'ma keep killing this shit before I jet my final breath. Be taken with my life well spent. I'm trying to straighten out my sins, cause this life well bent. But fuck it, we on the mission, and I ain't thinking to turn it back until I burn it down again and looking like the house of wax. It's big facts, I'm talking spit and creep.
Just need to go back a bit.
Wait, Lord forgive me, but I'm thinking that I might stay a little longer, cause I'm not done yet. I'ma keep killing this shit before I jet my final breath. Be taken with my life well spent. I'm trying to straighten out my sins, cause this life well bent. But fuck.
It's a realist.
Yeah. He's talking about, yeah, I showed him saying that he's not finished yet, he's still got...
It's a realist.
Yeah. What does that mean?
Demons. He's talking about shit, like he's talking about the now. He's talking about the
I feel
now.
like I have an idea, but like don't know how to put it into words.
I'll probably know towards the end.
Fuck it, we on the mission, and I ain't thinking to turn it back until I burn it down again and looking like the house of wax. It's big facts, I'm talking spit and cremation. Tell the Lord I'm ready for the fucking revelation. What's up? Shit. Tell the Lord I'm ready for the fucking revelation. What's up?
Interesting.
It's about sin.
Yeah. For sure.
I think it's about sin.
Yeah.
Because he's kind of summed it up with Revelations,
Yeah.
the apocalypse and stuff like that.
And in the beginning, how he was saying, "Forgive me for my sins" or something similar. Damn.
Okay.
Interesting.
Just sums it up towards the end.
Shit. Tell the Lord I'm ready for the fucking revelation. What's up?
He's not scared of death.
Forgive me.
He's ready for what's coming in. He's prepared.
No, not prepared.
Oh,
not
wow.
so much prepared, but he's ready. He's how would you say? Just like how we are. Like how I think about the end coming. You just got to accept it. It's been written in the Bible. It's coming. You just don't know when.
But soon, for
yeah.
sure.
You can't hide from what's coming.
Southwest Sydney artist, Ingleburn.
That's what I'm guessing. I'm not
Yeah.
guessing. That's what I'm taking from
what we're hearing or stuff like that. Yeah, same.
But
I feel like I'm hearing the same.
yeah, just comment down below how wrong I am.
And how I just don't understand. Nah, yeah, what I'm thinking is basically what she's saying. Damn.
What did I say?
What did you say?
It's very intense.
Yeah, very intense.
But like through all of his lines,
his wording as well is like pretty good as well.
Like I got a bit confused in the beginning, but towards the end it comes clearer and clearer. Oh, I think it comes clearer.
Yeah.
I don't think we're on point, but
just going
from
back
what
a
I'm
bit.
gathering,
So just going back a bit, it just goes to show that I would have to listen to it a couple of times to understand what he's saying, his accent and.
So we're just going with putting two and two together, what he's talking about towards the end, and the title of the song. Yeah. It's very intense though. Yeah, very deep.
Dang, but the beat, man, it feels like he was gonna freestyle or something. Like that's what it felt like. Hey, we all sin on this world, you know. Yeah, it's different. So it's not easy to stop it. It's just like a human thing to sin, I guess. But it's always good to repent. Like
you have to. I mean, it's just a lot of temptation out there in this world. But if your faith is strong in Heavenly Father and Lord Jesus Christ, then
I guess you can just try your best, like to live in His way. But I'm not a professor, so I'm just gonna stop before it gets worse. But yeah, friends. Damn. Okay. I don't know what to say. I'm really speechless. But
really
Yeah, I'm just like, fuck, I feel like he was gonna grab it.
It's like a realist. It's like he's making it. He's putting it out there. I'm not too sure if I'm on point with this or not. This is what I'm gathering from it. I could be like 10 steps back wrong. But what I'm gathering, it's that.
Yeah.
It's about the coming.
But comment down below what if we like if
I've
we've
never come
written
across
something.
something like this.
Yeah,
though.
this is totally different from everything else that we've like. Oh man, I feel like you definitely got.
He's got his own vibe, his own way.
Yeah.
Wording stuff.
Like I felt like I was just in space or something.
Probably a lot of people out there who follow him
Yeah.
and understand the way he raps, and the meaning behind his, the way he raps his flow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess like all the other artists, we have to get used to it if we listen to more of his songs. But yeah, thank you for those that have requested this track. Definitely like
Eye opener.
I'm pretty puzzled at the moment, but yeah, I know you guys will be commenting down below what it's about, what we missed, what we got on point, if we did get anything on point. But yeah, I like the clip. I love the clip. It felt like a bit eerie.
It goes with it, eh?
Yeah, but I just wish when he was sitting in the dark, you know, the curtains, the blinds on the side, I wish they made it more dark. Like, you know how J-Lex has that dark feel. The Nasa Nova clip, show out. Like if it had that really dark clip, it would have been like
J-Lex and A1.
Yeah, that would have been sicky, man. But yeah, I like the clip. It felt eerie. I felt like he just buried someone or something.
I thought
that's what I
when
was
he said "Lord forgive me" in the beginning, and then he hit the spade of them.
Yeah, and then he was
he's killed someone. He's gonna dig a hole and chuck him in.
That's what I was thinking.
Probably did.
But I think he's probably
the meaning
trying to,
of it.
Probably trying to portray as well, like, don't mess with me because, you know.
You got a dark way of thinking.
Oh, hey. Hey, this clip was... Nah, but yeah, fams. Anything else you want to say?
Probably did, come to think of it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking at first, but then I was like, oh, let me just keep listening.
Oh, got me stumped.
But yeah, bro, keep it up. We'll definitely be checking a lot more of your tracks out, or if people request it, so we can get a more better understanding of how you flow and stuff like that. Yeah, thank you to those that requested. Thank you for stopping by to watch. Appreciate it heaps. This is your first time reacting to the track with us. Thank you for reacting with us, and please go check the brother out. Again, I have the as always, I have the information to the track, the channel link, the song link, and the socials in the description box below for you guys to check out. Just scroll down, click, and follow and subscribe. Anyways, fams, hope you guys enjoyed this clip. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.